Hello, what are the top five benefits of owning your own website? And then what can you do with your own website? Most people don't realize how powerful it is to own your own website. With Global Domains International or GDI, you're just not getting a tool, you're getting a foundation for your online future. Here's what makes GDI so unique. For just $10 a month, you get everything you need to build and grow online without all the extra costs and confusions. Now, the first benefit, because I said there was five, first benefit is your own domain name, a professional uh, address you can use to brand yourself, your business, or any personal projects you have. Okay, the second one is a website builder and hosting. It's easy tools that you can use to create your own website. No coding necessary. It's just easy drop and drag technology. And then the third one is professional email addresses. You look more credible with an email that has your own domain at the end of it. And the fourth one is it's a global business opportunity. GDI has been paying members worldwide for over 20 years, so you know it's stable and trustworthy, and it's Better Business Bureau approved. And lastly, it's affordable and simple at just $10 a month. It's one of the most budget-friendly ways to get started online. Now, what can you do with your own website? This is the fun part. What you can actually do with your GDI website, the possibilities are endless. Okay, you can start your own blog. Yes, with GDI, you can have your own blog. You can list your passions, faith, family, any hobbies you have. Maybe you're into crypto or trading. You can post daily updates on what you're doing and how everything's going. Maybe you're into gardening. You can post what your latest plants are and how you're, you know, and the success you're having and what you've learned and different things like that. You can promote your business or a side hustle, gives you a professional home online, also gives a place for people can reach out to you too, so they can contact you from there. You can create a landing page or a funnel. Now, if you want a landing page or a funnel, and you join GDI with me, I do have a funnel all set up for you, all done. You don't have to do it, okay? And this one converts, and this is separate from your GDI, okay? You can still have your GDI website to set up and then use this funnel on the side if you want to, okay? Just an option. Alrighty. And you can sell digital products or services right from your own website. It's just endless. The possibilities are endless. Okay, you can share your own story and connect with people all over the world. When you own your own website, you're not just renting space on social media. You have a platform that's truly yours. And let me say about the blogging. Yes, there are free, like Google blog and things that you can get a free blog online. I had a blog years ago that was doing really well, but I must have done something or tweaked something that they didn't appreciate. So, and I still don't know what it was. And I had a lot of traffic going to that blog, and they took it down. That is the main reason why you want your own blog. When you set up your own blog with GDI, you don't have to worry about anybody taking your blog down. not Google, not anybody else. And you can also use WordPress with GDI too. There's WordPress plugins and there's hosting with this. So you don't have to buy hosting. Okay, it's just the GDI $10 a month. So if you ever wanted to build something real online, GDI gives you all the tools to do it for less than the cost of a lunch. Click the link below and learn more. And let's get you started today. There'll be a link to just GDI itself and a link to also my GDI funnel. So you can take a look and see how that works. Okay, your website could be the beginning of something amazing. And it could also be the beginning of a wonderful online journey to providing yourself with more income online. If that's what you're looking at GDI for, is for the income, realize that if you don't start now, you're probably going to be in the same place that you are next year at this time that you are right now. Okay? So God bless you. If this helped, please like, subscribe, and share. And yeah, click the links below. I'd love to hear from you.